Hello, my name is Steve, and this is my best friend Katie. I'm going to show you how to make a measuring device called a measuring wicket. Katie and I will also show you how to measure a dog. On this measuring device, it's accurate, it's easy to make, and it's low cost. As far as showing you how to measure, I better show you where the wicket is right now. I was going to wait, but the weather is. I'll forget to tell you where the weather is. The weathers. The weathers on a dog is on the highest point of his shoulder, right here. Not down here, over these legs, it's over your front legs. It's the highest point, and that's where your withers are. You have withers, so you know where your withers are now if you never knew where they were. The measuring device consists of two items that a lot of you will have in your garage or maybe in your workshop, or you know somebody that has them. If not, they're very cheap. This first one is called a carpenter's framing square. I had one, I have a couple, but I wanted one for here, and I went down and bought this one at Walmart. My other one was left out in the rain, got rusted, and I never did that. Somebody else did that. But I bought this one for $4, and I'm not quite sure, 70 cents, 76 cents or something. And as I was down there, I looked up price the other item, which this is called a combination square. The two of these you put together to make the measuring wicket. This one here was under $5, I think, $4.98 or something. The only difference is it had plastic, and it was just as good as this, and I make cabinets. I do that as kind of a hobby, and so they have to be precise. You put the two together, and these two will make as precise as a measuring instrument as a regular measuring wicket that they have at a trial. This we'll call our measuring square for the video. You want to get your dog, you can face him anywhere you want. I'm going to face my dog. I'm not sure either facing you or facing me. You put it against where his withers are, would be his front leg. Come here, Katie. Come here, baby. Sit, 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 sit. And you always want to make sure that the blade is pointed out. Don't put the blade, because you go over its toes and it won't stand right. So always make sure that the blade is faced out. You take the combination square. It's so simple. I always put my toe right here to make it balanced. You don't lean it either way. It has to be straight up and down. This here has to be flush. It can't be tilted. You just slide it down on the withers and just leave it comfortable. And then you look, and that's your measurement. Katie, come here. Let's show them real fast. Okay, come on, Katie. You gotta stand. Let me real fast. I know. Get it straightened out here. Right here, up a little bit, right over her shoulders. I got it relaxed. I make the dog relax. The judge usually, she'll help you get the dog relaxed, because they can puff up inch and a half. If she sees a cute boy dog, whoo, I'm in trouble. She's right here. I have a line crossed where I want it. I don't want her to be over 18 inch. She's 17 3/4. So that's good for Katie, because she's 2 years old, and I already troweled once, and I got a trowel in 2 weeks. And if she gets measured by two, I think it's VMOs, volunteer measuring officials, or two AKCs that have to be separate, she gets her permanent height card. And under 18, she can jump 16, and that's her comfort zone is 16. And over 18, she jumps 20. But either way, it doesn't matter to me. It's just that she's more comfortable at 16. You have to watch your organizations. They're all different. I think USDA, you got to check on this, but I think USDA on her height, 17 and a half and under, she jumps 18, and above 17 and a half, she jumps 22. Now, they could have changed, or maybe I'm wrong on that. I haven't been USDA for about 4 years. I retired, and I just got back into it with her. Well, one more thing I want to tell you is what's really important is it has this measuring square has numbers on both sides here, and it has numbers on the inside. Always make sure that you check it from the number 1 that's on the bottom down here, because if you take it from the inside here, you're going to be 1.5 inches off. And some squares will go 1 to 24, and then some will work itself back up the other way from 24 up to 1. So always make sure that you take the number from the one that's on the flat surface and go on up. Katie, and I want to say thanks for the video, and have happy jumping, and give your dog a lot of love. Huh? Give her a lot of love. Yeah, a lot of love. Dogs like love. Yeah. Thank you.